Okay guys, let's prep this gas tank up. Since we're pretty much just about done with under the vehicle, let's prep this up so we can get this back up installed in a little while. Just gonna get it painted and prepped. I'm not gonna take the fuel pump out.
My apologies, guys. It's not a fuel pump. I've done so many of these throughout the years, so many newer vehicles with the fuel pump like this in the newer vehicles. This is only a float inside the tank for the gas hand or for the fuel gauge. That's it.
Also new. So let me do that right now. Get a flathead screwdriver. Super good inside there. I said this was a new tank, so got a little rust there. Let's get this thing cleaned down too. Got dirt all over it. Just get this little surface rust removed real quick, and then we're gonna use some degreaser and clean it, and then we're gonna pressure wash it. And yeah, I'm just gonna knock that surface rust off real quick. I may just take this line off and then just mask this up. So let's do this real quick. Let's knock this little surface rust off. And just mask off the plug real good. So these are the only few rust spots we got. We're just gonna knock that rust off of here. Make sure we don't have any rust, surface rust. That looks nice. Got it off. We gotta protect that metal. So let's get it all cleaned up. You guys can see the dirt just running off. The degrees are so powerful. Dirt just running off. So we may just pressure wash it. Opposed to just wiping that off. We'll pressure wash this off and let it dry out. And let's do the other. We're gonna do the other side too. So let's go get the pressure washer hooked up. Okay guys, we're gonna let the sun dry this out completely before we start painting. We got 3 different kinds of paint we can use. Let me show you guys right now. All of the paints protect the metal, but one of these grays gives it that factory look as well. And we're gonna test them out, see which one we're gonna go with. So these are the 3 choices, guys. That's gonna protect that gas tank from rusting out. But one of these gives it that factory look. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it was this, or it may be this one. I don't think it was this one. It's one of these 2. I think it's this one, to be honest. Gives it that factory look, but protects it and makes it look really nice. So we'll do a test on all 3 when it dries out. So we'll be doing that in a few. So I'm gonna rotate this. Pretty nice in there. Although it's a little chilly out here, the sun is beaming. We got the sun beaming. So I'm just gonna rotate this other side. Let that dry out as well. Have to wipe that off. We got some from that. So let me wipe this off.
Guys, so I decided to go over the surface again, or the bottom part of that tank, which is the part that is seen most when you look on the vehicle, to make sure I have a good smooth surface when you look underneath the vehicle. So I went over it again to make sure the paint, the finished product will come out really nice. So that's what I'm doing now.
Okay guys, we'll be ready to paint in a second and protect this tank and make it look nice. Look at that, already look really nice, but if we leave it like this, it'll rust overnight outside. You know what guys, let's go take a look at the white Mustang tank and see how that is. I'm not gonna make it look, you know, like the black car, but we're gonna make it look nice and protected so they won't rust out. These things rust out bad. Let me show you, I got 2 tanks over here that I'm gonna do just to prevent them from rusting out even further. Just to have on standby. Let me show you guys those tanks now. So I'm probably gonna do these 2 later, just coat them, not go down. That other tank is new. When I bought the car, somebody had installed it brand new. So I'm gonna just paint these up to make them look presentable and prevent them from rusting out even further. So we're gonna do these 2. Let's go take a look at the white car and see how that is. Yeah, we're gonna just coat these, get them cleaned all up, get some of this surface rust off. This one's not bad like that. And just paint them just to have them on standby. Let's look at the white gas tank and see how bad it is. How is it? Not that bad. Not that bad at all. So just knock off this surface rust under here and just make it look decent under here. Not like the black car, but we're gonna make it look decent. Okay guys, this thing's ready to go. Let's move it over out the sun and get 3 tests of the 3 paints we're gonna use. Let's see which one looks better. Hit this out, some breaking parts cleaner. Pretty much use the whole can on the tank. Let's see our different paints and see what we get.
Here's our first runner-up.
Let's try test number 2.
finally test number 3.
Okay guys, we're gonna let them dry, but off the bat, the first two is like what we're looking for. This one's pretty much dry. You can see that. Maybe I should go in the sun. I just don't want to throw it off if I get in the sun. This one looks really, really good. The second one looks really good. Both of these does. So, I don't know. Both of these give us that appearance, that sort of factory appearance that it doesn't look like it has been painted. But that's what I'm going for. But it's protected. It'll be protected, well protected. So I'll tell you right now, it won't be this one. It's more like a primer look, even though it's a super protective enamel. Won't be using that. You know what I may do, guys? I may use that as a first coat and just go with one of these. This looks really good. This one does too. They both look really good, guys. They both look really good. So let's try to go in the sun and see if it throws it off. So we're in the sun. Man, that looks nice. That looks really nice. Both of these does. This is a little bit more glossier than this. Slightly, barely noticeable. But this is a no-go. We're gonna use that as if we're using the primer. Like that's the primer, that enamel, and then we'll go over it. So I'm gonna spray over it to see how it looks, but look at that, guys. That looks good. That looks really good. So both of these are in contention. I may just go with this one. I may just go with that one. That looks good. Let's turn it from the angle toward the sun. That looks really good too. That looks super good. But that looks like great. Really good. Let's get some sun glare off of it. Really good. This looks great. So we're gonna use that one, which is this one. So we can't go wrong with neither one, with this one or this one. Both of these are great. Great, great, great. So I'm gonna go a top coat over this and we're gonna paint this, guys. Let's get started to paint it. Yeah, if you come on that angle, that gives us the look we're looking for. Top is coated. So we're gonna let this dry. We'll be back. That's not a run, that's a dimple in the gas tank. Okay guys, this is completely dry and it looks nice. Turned out really, really nice. Really, really nice. So let me hit this paint on it and we're gonna wrap this up. All right guys, that looks super good. We're gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna do the other side and it's a wrap for this video. Yeah, but that looks really nice and I'll be going up with it in maybe a few days I'll be going back up with it. So stay tuned for that video. Keep your eye on for the next video, guys, I'll be doing. And yeah, we pushing, guys. So not sure what the next video is, but another video coming. I'm just dropping. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found something helpful in it. Terrence and I'm out.